Now I will pin 7 of these pieces together to prepare them for sewing different seams. Save the last piece to do a French seam. Pinning the seams first makes it easier to sew by machine. This is done to keep the pieces evenly together and prevents puckering. I am going to put 2 pieces of fabric that have exactly the same length together. It is good to start in this way. We hold the pieces like this and we match the top and sides. We pin them together like this. The head of the pins should face the raw edge of the fabric. We pin at right angles to the edge of our fabric. We place the pins where the seam line will be sewn. This way, when we do the machine stitch, the pieces will stay in place. It takes a little time to pin the pieces together, but it is less likely you will need to take apart the pieces after sewing. The first pin should be placed about 3 centimeters below the top edge, so when we are putting the pieces under the foot presser, we don't need to remove it right away. Then we match the sides and bottom edges like this and pin. Now we place a pin in the middle after matching the edges, then place another pin between those again. We will continue and pin the other pieces to these. Now that we have pinned the pieces together, we are going to sew 6 different seams.